Ex-Mla of Lamlai Ketumayum Biren has dismissed circulating social media reports claiming that he is set to join the Congress party, terming them fabricated and baseless. Addressing the issue, Biren clarified that there is no plan or preparation on his part to join the Congress at present. He further stated that joining the party at this stage of the prevailing situation in Manipur would be like jumping into fire. He also refuted claims suggesting that he would be a Congress candidate in the Manipur Legislative Assembly elections scheduled for 2027, calling such reports entirely false. Biren remarked that both the central and state governments have so far failed to bring resolution to the ongoing crisis in Manipur, which began on May 3, 2023. He noted that amid the continuing unrest, misleading posts are being widely circulated on social media platforms. The viral rumors also alleged that several other political figures, including T.H. Brinda, Soibam Subhash Chandra and Tinguja Moxford, would soon join the Congress party.